I absolutely love making simple cards, and this one is definitely simple. The nice thing about it is I've used heat embossing on this card, and so that's what steps it up. But the card itself is actually super simple with just a little bit of layering of paper. So the beautiful designer series paper I'm using today is from the paper pack called Thoughtful Journey, and it is watercolored images that are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So I just cut a piece for the front of my card, and then I'm using this gigantic thanking you stamp. It's just a single stamp, and it's just super, super big. And so it just covers the entire card front. So here I'm using my white embossing powder, and that is literally the featured front of the card. It just says thank you really, really huge, and I just think it's awesome. So you see I'm using the heat tool here, and I love the magic of heat embossing. You can see it changing colors there. I just love it. And then we will layer up the card, and I'm actually also going to put some paper on the inside of the card to kind of dress that up too and have it match. And of course we'll add a few gems. It just keeps the whole card totally flat without adding any ribbon or anything, but of course I had to use some gems if you know me at all. So here we are, and we'll just add a little bit of an accent and it'll be done. So you can see all of the measurements and the links to the products I use on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and check it all out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon.